Hey everyone, and welcome back to Old Studio Car. And today we're taking a deep dive into the 1990 vintage pickup, the one that's been given a fresh exterior makeover. We'll break down everything. The new look, how it performs on the road, max speed, fuel economy, and what you'll be paying for this throwback with a modern twist. Buckle up, let's get started. First off, the exterior update. They kept the classic 1990s body lines, those bold fenders, the iconic grille, and that rugged chrome bumper, but slapped on a matte charcoal paint job with brushed metal accents. New LED headlamps sit where the old halogen units used to be, giving a crisp, modern G-light. The tailgate now sports an integrated LED strip that's subtle yet noticeable at night. Custom alloy wheels, 18-inch, with a low-profile tire package give it a stance that's both nostalgic and contemporary. And yes, the classic round mirrors are still there, just polished to a high shine. Moving to performance, the heart of this pickup is still the 5.0-LV8 302C engine, but it's been tweaked. With a fresh intake manifold, updated EQ tuning, and a lightweight exhaust, it now pushes around *240 horsepower and *350 Nm torque. That's a noticeable bump from the stock 90's 190 horsepower figure. The transmission, a modern 6-speed automatic with overdrive, giving smoother shifts and better fuel efficiency. Acceleration, *0 to 60 mph in about *7.8 seconds. Not blistering, but solid for a truck of this weight and heritage. Maximum speed, the governor is set at *115 miles per hour, 185 kilometers per hour. It's more than enough for highway cruising while keeping the old chassis safe. Fuel average, here's the sweet spot. With the new tuning and a lighter exhaust, you're looking at roughly *14 MPG city, 16.8 L, 100 kilometers, and 19 MPG highway, 12.4 L, 100 kilometers. That's an improvement of about 15% over the original model. Handling got a boost too. Upgraded suspension with Bilstein shock absorbers, a lowered rear leaf spring set, and wider stance improve cornering without sacrificing that classic pickup feel. Brakes are now disc on all 4 wheels, with ABS as standard. Now, let's talk money. The price update. A brand new, fully refurbished 1990 vintage pickup with this exterior overhaul and performance upgrades sits between $28,000 minus $34,000 depending on trim options, like leather interior, upgraded infotainment, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or a custom paint finish. If you go for a base model with just the exterior refresh, you'll be closer to the $28,000 mark. Keep in mind, aftermarket parts and custom work can push it higher, but you're still getting a lot of bang for your buck compared to a brand new modern truck. Bottom line, this pickup blends the raw, rugged charm of the 90s with today's reliability and safety tech. It's perfect for weekend getaways, light hauling, and turning heads wherever you go. What do you think? Are you a fan of keeping the old look with new performance, or do you prefer a full modern swap? Drop a comment below, hit like if you love vintage rides getting a facelift, and subscribe for more retro ride reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.